Gold Systems has been developing IVR applications since we founded the company over 20 years ago. We have used a lot of development environments, proprietary environments mostly. We've written VXML by hand, and we've used code generation software. But about 2 years ago, we developed a product called Vonetix 7 Voice, and we took a different approach to developing applications. We've developed so many, we thought we could build the tools better than the companies who didn't build so many applications and focused on tools. So what we did to change this up is we think of the application as data. So rather than lines and lines and lines of spaghetti code, as sometimes we call it, we represent your application in a database. And that has a huge advantage. It means that we can have different views into that database. We can have an application development tool that an engineer would use, or we can start at the front end with Visio, and we've extended Visio so that we can draw an application and then use it to create the initial data dump, if you will, into the database. Prior to doing this, a designer would draw the call flow in Visio, hand it to a developer, and then they would basically sit down and type it in page by page. It's error prone, it takes too long, and we've solved that problem with Vonetix 7 Voice by representing it as data. There's going to be so much more we can do with the application in the future. One thing is we can deploy to different platforms without rewriting the application. So Vonetix 7 Voice started out as a development environment to deploy applications on Microsoft's speech server. When Microsoft decided to discontinue that product, we created our own Vonetix 7 server, which is the telephony side of this, and with literally a checkbox in the development environment, we can redeploy those applications to the new platform. So we've, over the years, made a lot of money porting applications from an old platform to a new platform. So yes, that will cut into our busy work that we used to do, but it's worth the trade-off to get a platform that doesn't force our customers to do that with every evolution of the software. That's Vonetix 7 Voice.